Hi there, thanks for looking in. I'm doing a bit of a long audio on this one because it's a lot quicker for me to speak it than write it. Now, this is a big parcel and I'm going to have a few come up this week because, look, going through the stock that I have, I've just got so many pieces. If I individually list them, I'll never get them out, as you probably guessed, it's just me. So it literally would take me a couple of years. So I'm going to fast track this and put a bunch of parcels up. This is the first one. 740 carats. Now these pieces are really interesting. They're good for anyone who wants to build the collection, I suppose. They are scruffy gems by and large. There's a chalcedony there. You probably just saw a beautiful mauve sort of fancy lace one. That's very pretty. That's a fine stone. There's a fine rose quartz pair. That's really lovely. Mostly they are what you would call scruffy. Now, I have had people buy parcels in the past and they'll come back saying, oh, such and such isn't jewellery grade. So that's why I have to underline that and be perfectly clear. They're in all kinds of conditions. They're rough and tumble but gorgeous stones, and there's a lot of them. So the biggest one's 60 millimeter, and I think it's called a dragon agate or something like that, that round one. I really should look it up, but it's escaped me. It's very interesting piece, quite translucent in the middle. There's a carved smoky quartz, there's an aquamarine cabochon, there's carnelian. What else can we see? We've got amethyst. There is a very funny piece of amber, which is Dominican amber, and it's meant to turn blue. I don't know. I don't think you'll get much out of that. But also it's got a really weird surface. It either needs a repolish or that piece, which you'll see is drilled to be a pendant. It's either amber or it's copal. So love to know what you think which it is, but it's genuine either way. But one, of course, is a lot softer than another, and as I said, it needs a repolish, which I think is relatively easy to do if that's what you're into. There's labradorite, there's sunstone, smoky quartz, and a sort of fancy agate thing. There are citrines, and there's moonstone. There's actually one, the big moonstone has terrific colour, really beautiful colour. Don't be shocked, it has the kind of striations and inclusions that you get with this sort of stone, so it's not cracked or anything, but again, I don't want you sort of panicking over it. It is beautiful what it is, it's just does have those inclusions, so please know that from the start. The rose quartz are beautiful, they're cabochons, I love them personally. And how many pieces? Gosh, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 pieces. And I forgot to mention there's a rutile quartz cab that I rather like, and also a very interesting phrenite piece which is carved in the shape of fruit that's translucent, and it's like an apple with a leaf. So that's really pretty. I love phrenite. I think phrenite's really interesting. So what else have I left out? I think you can pretty much see what the stones are. I'll put a list. I won't put measurements at this price. These are for clearing, but I won't individually, you'll get an idea seeing them up against each other. But when I do parcels like this, and there'll be a few, please don't write and say you want 30 individual sizes, because if I have to go to the weights and measurements, then I might as well just list them individually. So what we'll be doing is a bulk deal, and a wholesale bulk deal for anyone who's interested. That's what this is. So we really welcome getting them out the door at a fantastic price. Thank you so much for looking, and I'm excited about this week. I think all kinds of things will surface. This is just the beginning, and I really appreciate you coming to the store. One other thing, because it's 740 carats, so there's weight in there, you will find that the postage will be $18. Now you're welcome to combine more if you want to. So just to let you know, the postage is a bit more to get it out the door in a big box to you. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon. Drop me a line. Bye for now.